Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my Color Rush Studio Design Team unboxing. Also, I have another one underneath here of stuff that I purchased, but I'm going to show everything because it's super fab. So this is the new kit with all the fun things. It comes in a box, but obviously. And it's wrapped with this beautiful tissue paper, the stars, so I saved it. Okay, so first, let's go through this. And normally I would have a normal unboxing, but, well, I don't. So, anyway, let's do it to it. Okay. So we're going to move all of this fun stuff. I'll just put that over there, and let's check out this beautiful paper pad, and I'll try to keep it all in there. So we have got, it goes this way, but for sake of how I'm going to film, so you can see both sides. So it is a beautiful texture. Now I've had Color Rush Studio stuff before. There is, felt like there was something on there. I guess it was just me. Okay, never mind. Anyway, it's smooth and it's really thick, you guys. So just so you know where we're at, it's got these beautiful, those aren't roses. Oh, I don't know what the name of those flowers are, but in a like a light pink and a mint with a beautiful Damascus background in the back there. And then, hold on, I've got to move some stuff. And then we have, on the back side of that is this beautiful green tone on tone mint. Then we have these beautiful rainbowy, more onto the purple side, butterflies, and in the background it looks like a canvas. Oh, dying to be fussy cut here. On the back side of that is a tone on tone pink floral. This guy right here wants to have a layout done with it. I know that it does. Oh, that is gorgeous. And then some purple stripes. Then we have this yellow polka dot. Some wonderful tags to cut out to create some embellishments. This, I think they're peonies. I could be wrong. Floral with all the colors, the purples, the blues, the greens, the pinks. Oh, love it. And then this beautiful blue with a purple design on it. And you've got the same florals doing a line with some polka dots in the background. Another tone on tone pink, tone on tone green hearts, tone on tone green plaid. This is, I just love to fill this paper, you guys. So we got some blue and purple floral on a purple plaid background. We could fussy cut those out as well. Another one of those Damascus blue. Then you have the stamps. Oh, this would be good for some of my Paris photos, which was not very many because we just kind of like, never mind. So stamps, you could fussy cut those out as well. Then you have some sketchy hearts that are tone on tone, and then it repeats, right? So then I just have a few other pieces of paper there. Love it. Okay. Then we have the Frazzles and Ribbon. And this one's got like this purple polka dot and then a floral polka dot. Let's bring you in now because I don't need to. I go slow because if I go fast, then all of a sudden it's like too big. All right, so we've got this guy. We've got the bits and pieces. So these are like little epoxy pink and yellow flowers. More bits and pieces. The pink and yellow, but it's a heart, and then blue and pink with hearts. These mini frazzles and ribbons, a floral print, and then a pink polka dot print. Frazzles and ribbons, so you've got the purple floral, the pom-poms, you got some glitter ribbon, and then some plaid purple. Ooh. We've got these beautiful butterflies in a lime and a pink. These florals here in like the peachy color green, seafoam green. We have all of these glorious die cuts. Let's go through. So we've got, kind of run through this a little bit. So we've got little purple flowers. We've got some bows, some butterflies, some flower clusters. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. I mean, look at the color on that butterfly. Beautiful yellow. Some little bloomies, whatever you would call those. I am not a botanist or a florist, so I do not know florals. Let me get this all back in here. So that is the bits and pieces that come with this collection kit. I'm already in my head like designing things here, so super excited to work with this. Oh my goodness. And it also comes with these Pebbles puffy stickers in this iridescent. So that is so much fun. Okay, move that to the side and bring in the other fun things. What did I just do? I just broke something over here. Okay, I don't know. Okay, move that over there. Okay, now this is the stuff that I picked up because it was super cool. So we'll just move all that over there. And some of it was sent as well, so I didn't pick up everything, but you get the hint. So we've got this beautiful paper here. We're going to turn it. This one's off, but it's like pulled off. So you've got numbers and you've got a beautiful background, and then it's this fabulous plaid. You have some wordy bits, typewriter-ish, and then you have all these glorious arrows. And you've got this white on a, I'm going to say periwinkle, very light periwinkle. Oh, and it says celebrate and hooray. Happy birthday. I love the circles. Hearts. Some fun little arrows. Tone on tone stars with some distress in there. Look at those stars. You guys, it is like an ombre rainbow. Then you have this beautiful piece of paper here with the bubbles. A very, very fun stripe. There is some stamping, it looks like, on the background there. Tone on tone polka dots. This very big celebrate and the big old bubble. This is a happy birthday collection, but that's okay. I knew that, but you know, you don't always have to use everything for like what it's intended. So you get this 2025 here. You've got all of these fun little elements, and then it starts to repeat again. Okay. Then, let's see if I can just pick this guy up. Okay. This is super cool. So it's all die cut pieces, right? We got a circle, if you could see it. So there's like, you've got hexies, you've got some fun little elements, and they're all on this glitter cardstock. That's fun. We've got our tissue paper. We've got this alpha here, which is rainbow cake, so very fun. We've got, let's go through the die cuts. So this is the bits and pieces. And as you can see, there's bubbles and there's arrows and there's all kinds of fun stuff. I'm not going to pull those all out. We've got this cute foam stars. They're like little squishy pillows. I feel like this is a freebie. It says, when you support a small business, you're supporting a dream. Your purchase made my day. I hope this package brightens your day. I appreciate your support. Enjoy the free gift. Oh, that's a free gift. Thank you. It says eat cake. Ah, so cute. Then we get these squishy little pillows, and you know how I like the little heart pillows. The frazzles and ribbons. So we have this beautiful black and white, the palms, black and white stripe, black and white polka dot, black and white cross. these guys right here. So you have mini frazzles and ribbons. So you have gold stars and then gray stars. And then I picked up these guys. So we've got the bits and pieces in a fall. So this is like cork, then the cork Christmas, and then these cute little flowers. This flare from Scrap and Happy Studio, but I picked it up in the shop. And then these two little wood pieces with the little fall pumpkins. Love it. Okay, you guys, head over. I will have the links down below. If you use my code, you will get a discount. So you can buy the kits, you can sign up, you can do all the fun things, but these are so gorgeous. You need this stuff in your collection. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I will see you back next week when we start creating with these collections. See you later. Bye.